Hi, I'm Dr. Raajit Rampal. I'm a physician and researcher at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, and I have the honor of serving as the principal investigator for the MPN Progression Registry, which is sponsored by the MPN Research Foundation. I want to take a few minutes to introduce the MPN Progression Registry, what it is, why it matters, and what participation involves. I'll walk you through the informed consent by highlighting key points and answering common questions so you know exactly what to expect and can make the decision that's right for you. The MPN Progression Registry is a nationwide research effort focused on people living with myeloproliferative neoplasms, or MPNs, including essential thrombocythemia, polycythemia vera, and myelofibrosis. Our goal is to better understand how these diseases progress, how patients respond to treatment, and what symptoms they experience over time. Specifically, this registry aims to identify risk factors for disease progression, symptoms, and treatment outcomes, improve treatment strategies and patient care based on real-world evidence, support scientific research that may lead to the development of new or better therapies, build a long-term research resource that can be accessed by approved researchers through a secure request process, and finally, promote collaboration between patients, healthcare providers, and researchers to move MPN research forward together. By participating, you're contributing to research that may help improve MPN care in the future. So what is an observational study? The MPN Progression Registry is not a treatment study. Instead, we collect information from everyday experiences of people living with MPNs to help researchers understand how the disease changes over time, how treatments work in real life, and how to improve care. Who can participate? You're eligible if you live in the United States, are 18 or older, and have been diagnosed with an MPN. Participation is entirely voluntary, and you can leave the study at any time without affecting your medical care or benefits. So what does participation involve? If you choose to join, here's what you can expect. First, you will be asked to complete online surveys every 6 months about your symptoms, quality of life, and overall experience living with an MPN. Second, every 3 months, you will also get a brief symptom check-in survey. And finally, with your permission, we'll work with trusted health data partners to securely collect parts of your medical records, like lab results, treatments, and notes from your doctors. You will receive email reminders when it is time to complete a survey, and you will have up to a week to do so. If you forget, we'll follow up with a few friendly reminders to help you stay on track. You can complete the surveys from your phone, tablet, or computer, whatever is convenient for you. Symptom check-ins will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Longer surveys will be available every 6 months and should take 15 to 25 minutes. You can skip any questions that you're not comfortable answering. So how long will you be in the study? There is no set end date. The MPN Progression Registry is designed to follow participants over many years. The long-term participation will help us build a more complete picture of life with MPNs, but how long you stay involved is entirely up to you. Is your information protected? Yes. Protecting your privacy and ensuring your data is secure is a top priority. Your personal details are removed before your data is used in research, so it can't be traced back to you. Only approved researchers can access your identifiable information. All data is secured in compliance with HIPAA laws and National Institute of Health privacy standards. The registry is reviewed regularly by an independent ethics board or institutional review board to ensure your rights and safety. And your data will never be shared for marketing or advertising outside of the official MPN Progression Registry communications efforts. Your information is used only for research to better understand MPNs and improve care. Are there any risks? This is a low-risk study, but there are a few things to be aware of. First, as with any study, there's a small risk of privacy loss, but we have strong protections in place. Second, some survey questions may feel personal or emotional, especially those related to your mood or mental health. You can always skip any questions that you do not want to answer. If your answers suggest distress, we will provide a pop-up with mental health resources. The research team will not contact your doctor or provide clinical care, so we encourage you to reach out to your provider if you're ever concerned. Will you get results? While you won't receive personal medical results, we'll share general updates about the study's progress. We're also exploring ways to offer participants a dashboard where you can view your survey responses along anonymous data from other patients. This will not replace medical advice, but may offer helpful insights. Can you still join other studies? Yes. Being part of this registry does not prevent you from joining other research studies or registries. It is also okay if you choose not to participate at all. That decision will not impact your care in any way. So what are your rights? You have the right to ask questions at any time, to review or request your medical data from your healthcare provider, and to withdraw from the study whenever you would like. We are also happy to contact you in the future about other MPN-related research if you would like. You can opt in or out of that as part of the consent process. We know that living with an MPN can be challenging, and your experience matters. By joining the MPN Progression Registry, you're helping researchers learn more about how MPNs affect people over time. Your experience adds to a growing body of knowledge that can support better research and improved care of the MPN community. If you have any questions, the registry team is always here to help. Thank you for considering participation and for being a part of something that truly has the power to advance MPN research.